DG screaming red, wrong is murder for the low. Say that little duck, so she gon' fuck around with the other side. When I pop my gun, that bitch go. I feel just like we, cause when I fuck, she tell me come inside. Gen 5, G like 17, I let this bitch ride. She tryna diss, dominoes, you pizza flipping bitch. Heard he dropped the bag, brand new gen gon' make him hot that fence.
What's going on YouTube? I got y'all another motherfucking video. My bad for the 2 weeks. Wait, I ain't drop a video in 2 weeks, bro. Nigga, I'm slacking hard as fuck. But guess what? I got y'all the banger right here, nigga. And on next week, I'm going to PC for spring break. And you know what happened in spring break. Y'all know what type of videos I drop in spring break. My shit gonna be lit. And y'all know y'all getting hella lit ass content. Listen, so as y'all can tell by the title, man, I'm gonna try to get some baddies numbers without saying not a one word, like not a word at all. On my mom, I'm not saying nothing. Just straight pulling on my phone. Let me chill out. But on top of that though, after I get a number, I'm deleting a number because guess what? It's just for the video. I ain't gonna count. It's just for the video. I don't want no female right now. Not one. But shit, let's go ahead and get let me go ahead and hop in my car right quick. Go ahead and get to this college. You know, let's get it.
How you doing? Where you come from? You not gonna say nothing? Your throat hurt. I got you.
You know what I'm saying? Simply that.
But I haven't seen the person, so I have to get her. Yeah. I understand for her. You're not gonna know what's going on. Oh, are you want my number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. Okay. That works. Did you get it like the large? Yeah, like out. I'm in Nori.
Okay, quiz.
You know what I'm saying? Simply that.
I have a boyfriend. I'm sorry. Excuse me? Free? Friend? That's not respectful.
I actually have a boyfriend. Huh? Friends? Okay.
Yep.
Taz. Nice meeting you.
You know what I'm saying? Simply that.
What is that? I got a boyfriend, I'm sorry. You gotta get her. No, I'm good.
This shit funny. What up, bro?
No. Sorry, I'm in love with my situationship. Yeah. internet's broken because I just posted Baddies.
The internet's not gonna let me out.
Baddies. Oh,
Hola. I'm good.
Oh my god.
We made the video, y'all.
Sorry, I just got a new number.
Oh, thank you. I should call your phone.
No problem.
Look at Bijan.
There's one more to help it continue. I think. Yeah. Hug is very.
No, I.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Oh, yeah.
It's the camera.
I've been thinking the same thing.
Have a blessed day.
Hey, happy introduction.
Thank you.
It's 100 round, but I got 80, so it's gon' fit. I don't want no problem about your lady, you can keep the bitch. I been on my own shit. Why the hell she lying? She ain't no 10, so I ain't fuck the bitch. Don't know why this hoe keep stalking me, I gotta duck the bitch. Fuck her to my songs, we in the car, she said, can you imagine? How the hell you game without no splat? Boy, I know you crazy.